Oh yeah, did you guys like the holograph too? Yeah, I think Callie talked about it, but it was originally gonna be Callie first, and I was just like thinking in the back of my head, I was like, Steph-san, I don't know. Don't you think that we should do it in the order of people doing the 3D showcase? And I think they changed it later down the road. I think it was supposed to be like Callie, someone. I'm not spoiling it, but Callie talked about it, so I can talk about it. But yeah, sorrowful taco cake. Oh, I laughed so much just reading the script. Essential. Oh, and Luna Senpai's expression was just priceless. Oh, it was so good. Like her fit. It's so good. I got my ultimate move, sorrowful taco cake.